Hi, I'm Anka and I'm here to give you a quick walkthrough for the Boardssey platform. We start off on the dashboard where we have our tasks, recently updated games, and playtests. We also have the industry hotness from BGG to stay up to date with what's happening in the industry. Moving on to our game section, this is where you store all the different games that you're working on with the different statuses of development that they're in. When creating a new game, fill in all the information you have and continue updating as you're developing your game. This is based on the format from BGG, so it's easy for you to copy and paste information when you're ready to post your game publicly. This is what a finalized game details page looks like. All the information is linked here, as well as projects and playtests and external resources. We also added a rules section with a template, as well as version tracking for you to track all the changes you're making. Soon we'll be launching our cell sheet designer so you can easily create cell sheets with Boardssey. Moving on to projects, we have a bird's eye view of everything that's going on between you and your team. Projects are organized in Kanban boards for you to easily add new tasks, assign, tag, and set priorities, and work together with your team. You can also assign different levels of access to each project. Moving on to playtests, you can see the number of playtests run for each game, as well as an overview of all the playtests for a game. When creating a new playtest, log time and fill out all the information while you're in the session. Fill turn order, scores, and engagement rating, as well as feedback and notes. Our whiteboard feature is here to help you brainstorm with your team in real time. Just use the link and everybody can work at the same time no matter where they are in the world. Keep track of contacts from conventions or other consultants you may be working with. And don't worry, these contacts are only visible to admins and members on your team. The tool section gets me very excited. We've built a suite of tools for playtesting and prototyping, and we're going to continue building. If you want a quick P&P card layout, we've got you covered, as well as variables distribution to help you figure out how to distribute into groups. More exciting things on the go, and we hope you enjoy using it as much as we enjoyed building it.